Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize eventually, because as you can see right now we cannot even tap on it. It is because we are using automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options in order to be able to set the date and time manually. As you can see, just by swiping you can pick the date you want to use, and the same situation with the time, just swipe and set it like you want to. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, and just tap on it and here you will be transferred to the full list of all available ones. So basically just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it, and let me pick for example Salt Lake City, and as you can see it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the option for the dual clock, so it basically means that your device will display two different for two different hours for two different time zones, two different places in the world, which you will pick of course. Just tap on this switcher and you will be able to customize it. What's more, you can change the clock format. Currently we're using 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, and right now the 12-hour format is applied. So basically this is how to customize the date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers here. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your OPPO Reno 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.